How to check your Temu purchase history. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application first and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to check your purchase history, tap on the Use section from your bottom bar menu. Then here tap on Your Orders. Just like so, you will see all the orders that you have made till now at this page. If you have any order that you are processing, tap on Processing tab and you will view it here. If you tap on this Shipped option, you will see all the items that you have ordered and that has been successfully shipped to your door. And this is same as well. Under Returns, you will see the items that you have returned to Temu itself. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.